Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Eva and I'm a mortgage power planner. So this is episode 4 of the Deeks at my budget series. So I won't have a massive long introduction because if you've watched them previously, you'll know the drill. The only thing I'm going to say is that April wasn't quite how I expected it to go, but good things take time, right? So we'll see. Right, let's jump right into the video. So as always, let's start with actually having a look at the overall expenditure in April to see where all my money has actually gone. So here's the split of obviously where I've been spending my money. So as expected, housing and debt are still the top 2 categories, unfortunately, but we are working on that, so bear with. Anyways, let's dive a little bit deeper into the figures. So housing costs remain just about unchanged really. The only thing I'd say I'm overspending on is the housekeeping costs. However, what I've done is I've actually included cat food within that as well, just because we get it all at supermarkets. It's just a bit easy to have it all under one roof. So housekeeping also includes cat food. But apart from that, all of the bills remain unchanged. The dreaded debt category, so once again, pretty much unchanged. I believe the car finance payment is the second last one. So in May, that should be the final payment. And then after that, we're scrapping it. There's no car finance no more, which is absolutely great news. Can't wait. But other than that, there's just really the PayPal credit and the personal loan that I'm trying to get rid of. So next we've got transport, so just fuel this month, which is pretty much on target at £50. Nothing more to add there. Savings or investments, I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys, but yeah, nothing in that this month, just because my main priority is to actually repay the debt more than anything and to actually build up a stable income. So yeah, the savings and investments aren't quite my priority at this stage, so hopefully in the near future we'll see that increasing from 0. Insurance once again remains absolutely unchanged. I've still got 2 life insurance policies, won't go into that, I need to review it, but apart from that, yeah, it's still the same. Gifts and donations, so I'm really not happy with the donations. I haven't made any really apart from my Celiac UK membership. Gifts to family and friends, a bit more on that one, but all worth it. Subscriptions, once again, unchanged really, same stuff as always. And to be fair, I feel like my subscriptions are pretty good really, in terms of there's not that much in it. So yeah, not one that I can reduce unfortunately. Pets, so only really kind of grooming stuff this month. The vet fee wasn't taken in April for some reason, so that's nil for this month, but it has been taken in May, so you'll see that back in May. And then miscellaneous, which is basically you're going out, your takeaways, all of that malarkey. Yeah, we've overspent on that, so no, we won't go into too much detail on that, but yeah, overspent a little bit on there, so that needs to be reviewed in May. And then personal care, so I've joined a new gym, not that I've been yet, but we've joined it. That's a bit more expensive than the previous gym, however it does have a pool, so it's a bit better. And books, £2 on that, and the reason it's £2 is because we actually went to a car boot sale, so I managed to get some books there. And then clothes, I bought a new swimming costume, so not really clothes, but you know. And that is it for the expenditure. So let's go over to the income side of things, which I know is probably the most exciting when it comes to this video. So this month has seen the beauty sector reopen, so I've managed to reopen the beauty side of things, which has helped the income a little bit. Now I don't do it full time, so the income probably could have been better if I'm honest, if I pushed it a little bit more. However, it's still going in the right direction, it's going up, so we're happy with that. The total income for April was £1,141. Total expenses were £1,894, so that leaves a net position of 753, which compared to the previous period, you know, it's a slightly better net position, but we're still in the red, which isn't ideal. So when we go over to actually having a look at the overall position and how far away I am from actually reaching my £50,000 a year goal, we're still a pretty long way away, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, the income currently stands at £6,734 and the total expenditure stands at £8,995. So the overall net position for this year so far is at minus £2,000. £2,260. So yeah, we've got some catching up to do. However, to be fair, I am fairly confident that by the end of the year, that will be a positive figure. It's not going to be a minus, and I am confident about that because things are going in the right direction. I'm just not quite seeing the income side of it yet. So there you go, guys. Another budget update, another perhaps not so great result, but as you can see, it is going in the right direction. It is going up. So now it's a case of building that up even further. As always, I've been fully transparent with obviously my income, my expenses, which isn't easy, and I need to kind of reiterate that, like, it's not easy to share all of this with everybody. However, I do feel like it is beneficial, not only for myself, but also to other people looking at becoming self-employed and seeing how long it takes to actually build up a consistent source of income. So I'm personally excited for this journey. You know, I've been on this journey a few months now, and I cannot wait to see what the future brings. So make sure you subscribe to join me on that journey. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, as it really helps my channel. And I just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody who has already subscribed. We've reached 200 subscribers, which to some might not be a lot, but to me it means the absolute world. So thank you so much if you've already subscribed to my channel, and feel free to comment and say hello. I love to get to know you guys. I want to build a community, so if you've got any questions whatsoever about anything that I discuss in my videos, do feel free to contact me. But on that cheesy note, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back on Monday with a brand new video. Bye guys.